Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find favorite photos on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to find your favorite photo is go ahead and open the Photos application. Then if you're on Library, just go to Collections. Now scroll down Collections until you get to Utilities. Then open Utilities. Under Utilities, locate and click on Favorites. Then you should see your favorite photos like this. However, if you want to favorite any photo of your choice, what you simply need to do to favorite a photo on your iPhone is go ahead, locate the photo, then like the photo. Once you like the photo will be added to your favorite. So you just need to go back to your collections, and under collections, you want to select favorite under utilities. Then you should see the photo added to your favorite, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to find favorite photos on iPhone iOS 26. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.